Here's some comprehensive information about elephants. African elephants has a size of 11 to 13 feet, 3.3 to 4 meters tall, 5,000 to 14,000 pounded, 2,268 to 6,350 kilograms. Asian elephants 7 to 10 feet, 2.1 to 3 meters tall, 3,000 to 6,000 pounded, 1,361 to 2,722 kilograms. It has a long curved ivory teeth, long, flexible proboscis, nose and upper lips. Ears has a large fan-shaped. It has thick, wrinkled gray skin. Live in matriarchal herds, female-led. Elephant are the highly intelligent animals. Use vocalizations, rumblings, trumpeting. Body language, touch to communicate each other. Seasonal migrations for food, water. Savannas, forests, grasslands. Primarily feed on plants, fruits, leaves. They drink water, 30 to 40 gallons, 136 to 151 liters daily. Dietary adaptation, specialized digestive system for cellulose breakdown. Elephants are endangered species, African elephants, IUCN Red List, and Asian elephants, IUCN Red List. Habitat loss, poaching, ivory meat, human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts, habitat protection, anti-poaching initiatives, research. They excellent memory, recognizing family members after years. Display empathy, compassion towards each other. Learn from experience, pass knowledge to younger generations. Long lifespan, 60 to 70 years in wild, up to 80 years in captivity. Elephant is one of the largest brains among land animals. Types of elephants. African savanna elephant, Loxodonta africana. African forest elephant, Loxodonta cyclodus. Asian elephant, Elephas maximus. Sumatran elephant, Elephas maximus sumatranus. Sri Lankan elephant, Elephas maximus maximus. Would you like more information on a specific aspect of animals? Like and comment down below.